There is a new error, which is getting very common, and that is your ads have been disapproved for enabling dishonest behavior, or you are getting a strike or penalty on your account with your account is in a temporary hold state for enabling dishonest behavior. So this is one such an case over here for one of our client. You may see over here that we found ads that violate the enabling dishonest behavior policy, and you may see over here they say that creation of fake or false documents like passports, diplomas, selling numbers like credit card, privacy numbers, services that broker the inclusion of client and authorized users, aids to pass drug tests, or services or products that enable academic dishonesty like essay or thesis generators, selling falsified user activity in the form of invalid clicks, reviews, or social media endorsements, VPN marks to circumvent geo restrictions, and the other examples including hacking services, including game enhancement and cheat software, stealing cable, radar damage, changing traffic signals, phone or wiretapping services, other including spyware technology and other things as well. So Google may also be sometimes misconfused over here because this is an automated error and we need a manual review on this thing. And it's very important to understand the advertising policy. Sometimes you are running a product and you are not sure that your products are being compliant with Google or not, which is why having a very perfect command on Google Ads policies and previous cases helps you in getting your ads approved. So this was the case over here, and for a client like this, you may see over here that the strike was issued, penalty is now completed, and the account is available to run ads over here. So I'm going to show you their approval as well, and you may see over here that your account is released from temporary holds. It's a 2 days back news. We finally sorted out around on this. You may see that your account has been released from a temporary hold state. Your ads will start serving soon. Please allow 24 hours for these changes to take effect. Please note that your ads are still required to comply with our Google Ads policies at all times and may be disapproved, or your account may be suspended if they are in violation. Your account was in a temporary hold. You can see over here that we had to sort these errors. So now the error was quickly sorted out because we have a perfect awareness of Google policies. So which is why you need to have a perfect command or hire a company like a Google partner like us to sort out all of these issues. So yeah, it's a quick resolve for Google enabling this honest behavior policy where the account had a strike and we have help them to release from the temporary hold. So in case if you need a services for Google Ads management audit services, you can hire us as a full-fledged marketing agency. There are details mentioned in the description of this video on how you can reach me and my team to get started with us. We are an LLC company, so in case if you need a services, we are more than welcome to work with you. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.